Hi, I'm Bill Mulligan. I work at Isovalent and I'm a Cilium maintainer. KubeCon's been amazing. It's the second largest open source conference ever in Europe. 10,000 people, 2,000 people on the waiting list. It's great to see so many people in person again. So I guess the big announcement for Cilium at KubeCon is the Cilium Mesh, which is allowing you to connect Kubernetes, external workloads, things outside of Kubernetes, all into one networking thing. And you're able to then take the power of Cilium wherever you want to go in your IT infrastructure. eBPF has been really growing. I think it's really cool to see the growth of eBPF at KubeCon. Originally there was just Cilium, but now there's 4, 5, 6 companies that are all using eBPF in their products for a variety of different use cases, from observability and APM to security and other use cases too. People are using eBPF because it's such a powerful technology. Linux kernel as like a old project is sometimes slower to evolve. eBPF puts the power of innovation back into the hands of developers and allows them to quickly innovate and bring new use cases to Linux kernel. So for the future of eBPF, you're going to have to come next KubeCon. We've got a bunch of big things in the work around the eBPF ecosystem that we're going to be announcing there. What I'm looking forward to the most was actually launched earlier this year. It's called Excel BPF, and it's bringing the power of eBPF to Excel. It was launched on April 1st though, so it is a joke. To learn more about eBPF, check out eBPF.io. That's the great place to get started, and you'll have lots of learning resources. To get started with Cilium, check out Cilium.io, and you'll have lots of great resources there too.